Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I'm just going to show you a few of the castings I got recently, and the videos will be coming soon. So let's start with this one. This one is a Subaru Brat by Hot Wheels, part of Hot Wheels Premium. Looks like a nice casting. I didn't have any Brat in my collection, so I wanted to get one. Next, you got this custom 62 Chevy pickup. It's part of Hot Wheels Silver Series, some better details than mainline, and misses around some details compared to Premium. Then I've got this Matchbox fire truck. I'm pretty sure this is a re-release or a new paint, but again, it looks nice, so I got this one. And then I got a few of the Matchbox Jurassic World cars. So first is this one, an off-road gen vehicle. Again, packaging looks nice, very different packaging, and so does the paint and everything. Then we have got this G-Wagon, again from Jurassic Park. Again, nice paint. You also got a bull bar. I think normal Matchbox one doesn't get a bull bar. It looks nice, and it's an older one. It's a 2014 G-Class, not the new one which Matchbox did recently. Then you got a Jeep, again from the same set. It's a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Looks nice. I think they also did a Gladiator, but I already had that in the 5-pack, so I didn't get that. And the helicopter, I got those two in the 5-pack. And then there's this Ford Explorer. It looks like a classic one. Even the paint theme looks like the older from older Jurassic World movies. Yeah, so these are the castings I got recently, and the videos will be coming soon.